हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी मीडिया। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ क्लास 8 इंग्लिश की वर्कबुक की यूनिट 10 जिसका नाम है द ग्रेट स्टोन फेस सेकंड। पिछली वीडियो में मैंने आपको यूनिट 9 द ग्रेट स्टोन फेस फर्स्ट करवाया था। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं और अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। मैंने अपने चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट बनाई हुई है, आप जिस भी लेसन को देखना चाहते हैं प्लेलिस्ट में जाके देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए यूनिट 10 शुरू करते हैं। कंप्रहेंशन, रीड द पैसेज ऑन मदर टेरेसा एंड आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। मदर टेरेसा इज़ अ वेल नोन नेम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड। शी टॉट अस दैट लव मीन्स टू सर्व एंड टू गिव। Agnes Bekzoy, or Mother Teresa as she is known to us, was born on 27th August 1918 in former Yugoslavia. Even as a young girl, she was deeply religious. When she was 18 years old, Agnes joined the Loreto nuns and reached Darjeeling. It was to St. Mary that Sister Teresa went from Darjeeling. Here she taught geography for 19 years and was even the principal of the school. Mother Teresa realized that something should be done to ease the suffering and hardship of the unfortunate people beyond the convent walls. So she started working with the busties, carrying small amounts of medicines and small endless amount of love to comfort those in need. On August 1948, she requested permission to leave the Loreto convent and work in the slums of Kolkata, armed with little ease other than her deep faith in God and her love for the poor. She set out on the path to which she felt God had called her. First, what did Mother Teresa teach us? Mother Teresa taught us that love means to serve and to give. Second, how was she as a young girl? She was deeply religious. Third, what did she do after leaving Darjeeling? She started working with the busties, carrying small amounts of medicines, food, and endless amount of love to comfort these in need. Fourth, how did Mother Teresa help the unfortunate people? Mother Teresa helped them to accept and embrace their sufferings. Fifth, find words in the passage which mean the same as A. Renowned, famous. B. Devotional, religious. C. Children without parents, orphans. Belief, trust. Working with language, vocabulary. A. The following prefixes are used to form opposites: undis, in, il, ir, im. Add the correct prefix to form opposites: immortal, improve, impolite, disappear, irrational, indecent, unrepairable, illiterate, unwise, unpleasant, disabled, illogical, unwell, immature, unreligious, imbalance, illegible, unpack, unskilled, illegal, disobey, unnoticed, incomplete, indirect, inactive, incapable, impatient, irregular. B. Circle the odd one out in each list. Explain why it is out of place. Example: mosquito, mouse, wasp, beetle. Mouse is the odd one out because the others are insects. First, इसमें odd one है cake because it is a eatable thing. Second, apple, potatoes, pear, oranges. Potato because it's a vegetable. Third, gas, kerosene, wood, water. Fourth, arms, eyes, nose, mouth, arms. Fifth, cup, soccer, sink, dish, sink. Sixth, violin, sitar, tabla, music. Seventh, email, telegram, postcard, letter, email. Grammar. A. Farming WH questions. Example: why are you so sad? Inquired the poet. You have noticed words like who, why, where, when, etc. in your text. They are called WH words and are used to ask questions. They can be interrogative pronouns or interrogative adverbs. First, who spoke? Second, whose in is this book? Third, whom did you see? Fourth, what do you want? Fifth, which of these books is yours? Here, who, whose, whom, what, which are interrogative pronouns. Where is Abdul? When did you come? How often does she come here? Here, where, when, and how are interrogative adverbs. What, when, where, why, who, which, how. A policeman finds a girl wandering alone near a fair. He asks her some questions. Complete these questions. Policeman, what is your name and what are you doing here? Girl, I am lost. I had gone to the fair with my mummy. Policeman, when did you go to the fair? Girl, at 5 in the evening. Policeman, how long were you there? Girl, until 6 p.m. Policeman, who was with you? Girl, my parents. Policeman, why did you move away from them? Girl, I wanted to see the Joker. Policeman, where do you live? Girl, in house number 81 over B, Model Town. Policeman, come with me, I will take you there. Girl, thank you. Policeman, now here we are. Which is your house? Girl, the second one on the left. Policeman, go in and take care in future. B. Degrees of adjectives. Read the following sentences taken from the linked lesson. He had spent the greater part of his life in distant cities. The life and character of the Ernest were a nobler strain of poetry. In both the sentences, a comparison is made using the comparative form of the adjectives great and noble. We are the comparative to compare one thing with another. We use the superlative to compare one thing with the whole group. Write down the comparative and superlative forms of the given adjectives. Positive, noble, comparative, nobler, superlative, noblest, nice, nicer, nicest, brave, braver, bravest, young, younger, youngest, heavy, heavier, heaviest, short, shorter, shortest. Dictionary practice A. Read the hints given below and complete the puzzle. यहाँ पे आपको हिंट दे रखी है डाउन एंड अक्रॉस और आप यहाँ पे ही देख के ये फिल कर सकते हैं. Speaking and writing composition. Come on, bus stand. It's already full yaar. Is there something to eat? One special tea. Write a paragraph about what's happening in the picture. This picture is showing us a village scene. A man is making tea on the store for his customers and his son is giving tea on a passenger jeep at the village bus stand. Some people are sitting on a bench near the tea shop. A person is preparing tea at the tea stall. Somebody is asking, is there something to eat? He ordered for one special tea. Two villagers are already enjoyed tea by sitting on the table. This scene in the picture is lovely and exciting. तो यहाँ पे ये वीडियो ख़त्म होती है. आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं. वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू.